Here we have the Q9 PowerSports 250cc Hawk Enduro motorcycle. Not only can this off-road with the best of them, but it can also be driven on the streets as it is road legal. This unit offers a kickstart and electric start feature. It is a 4-stroke machine, runs on premium gas. Get about 60 plus miles per hour. Can hold 350 pounds. This unit has turn signals, choke feature. They're actually quite popular. For $13.49, they are very affordably priced. The Hawk 250cc Enduro motorcycle from Q9 PowerSports. That's www.9powersports.com. Right now we're offering free shipping anywhere in the United States. You get a free $80 motorcycle helmet with purchase. This gentleman here is about 6'4", just to kind of get the size-wise for this motorcycle. They're very fun off-road.